We just launched collaboration in Julius. This new feature allows you to bring your colleagues into Julius and collaborate with them in real time on an analysis. Let's show you how this works. Say I am on the risk team in a bank, and my VP has asked me to run an analysis to detect credit card fraud based on some transaction data. And so I'm going to start a workflow in Julius and invite my colleague to collaborate with me on this analysis. Once I invite her, I can see her at the top and follow her throughout the workflow. She can go back to any of the steps in my workflow and either edit them to add more context or extend the prompts that I've already written. And if I've missed anything in the workflow, she can go back and add any steps in the workflow to give it more context or make more requests. Now that we're done collaborating on the workflow, we are ready to run the analysis. And I can also share the workflow with my team so they can come and look at it anytime they want. Want to give it a try with your team? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any more feature requests, let us know in the comments below.